Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I did these really pretty gel X nails. So the first thing I'm going to do is push back the cuticles. Now I'm coming in with a nail clipper and I'm just going to cut down her nails a little bit since they were a little bit long. Now I am lightly removing the shine off of her nails with a 180 grit sanding band, and I have my gel at the lowest speed I could put it on, and I'm just like lightly whizzing over the nail. I'm not digging into her nail or anything like that. You could also do this with a hand file or a buffer, whichever one you prefer, but just make sure you are not too rough or heavy handed when doing this. Now I am taking a cuticle bobbit and I'm just going around the cuticle area with this to get rid of any dead skin on the nail plate. I'm going to use the Olove medium almond full cover nails from Amazon, and I already sized her nails and everything, and now I'm just etching the inside of the full cover nail. And the reason why I do this is because I feel like it really helps the gel adhere onto the nail rather than just having a smooth shiny surface. It's not really gonna hold on that well. But yeah, so now I'm just cleaning off the nails with some alcohol and this little scrub manicure brush, and I let them dry, and now I am priming the nails with the Luxe Nail & Co primer. This one doesn't say it's specifically for gel, but it has been working for me, so I'm just using it. And I'm doing 2 coats of this. I'm going to use the Not Polished Press It gel to glue on the nails. So I apply some of the gel where I etched the nail, and then I apply a little bit more towards the cuticle area. And when I go in to apply the nail, I start off from the cuticle area and then I gently press down, and then I flash cure with my little lamp for about 10 to 15 seconds. And once I'm done applying all of the nails, I will fully cure the nails for a full minute in my big lamp, and the lamp that I use is the not polished one. I will have it linked in the description along with all the other products that I used in this video, and I will also have some discount codes there, so if you guys are interested, make sure to check out the description. So now moving on to filing, I am using the Pana 5-in-1 drill bit. I'm not sure if it's in a fine or extra fine grit, but I will have the exact one linked in the description. I'm just going around the cuticle area with this, and I'm just making sure I get rid of any product that might have spilled out, and also just make the nails nice and flush to the natural nail. I do use this drill bit at a very low speed, that way I don't end up filing off too much or anything like that. Now I am going to lightly shape up the nails, and I'm using a 100 grit nail file from Pana, I believe. And honestly, these nail tips don't really need too much filing, but I do like to go in and just redefine the shape. I really like these full cover nails and I do recommend them. The only thing I don't like about it is the sizing on the bigger sizes, like size 1 and 0. The 1 fits like a 2 kinda, and then the 0 fits like a 0 fits really big. So I wish there's just like a size in between that. But yeah, other than that, I think they're really nice and they're really affordable. Now I'm taking a nail buffer and I'm just removing the shine off of the nails. That way the gel polish really sticks on to the nail really good and the gel polish doesn't peel off. I went ahead and dusted off the nails and also cleaned them off with some alcohol. And now I'm going to be applying the Makeup Prep in 1 gel, and this works as a nail glue, a base coat, and a slip solution, but right now I'm using it as a base coat. And the reason why I'm applying this is because it's really going to help prevent peeling, and it's also going to give the nails some extra strength. So if you have some full cover nails that are like flimsy, I recommend applying some base coat, and that's going to give it that extra strength that it needs. And once I'm done applying this, I will cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. So I'm going to mix all of these gels together to create the milky nude color that I use for the base. And I'm going to apply 1 coat of this onto all of the nails, and then I will cure for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to apply a second layer of the nude on the pinky, the ring finger, the index, and the thumb. And I'm not going to cure them right after I'm done applying it because I'm going to do a marble design on there, so I need that gel to still be wet. So I'll get to that in a second. And if I get any gel on the skin, I do go in with a cleanup brush, which is just a polygel brush, and some acetone, and I just go ahead and wipe it off. Now I'm coming in with a little brush and some milky white gel polish and also some of the nude and just a regular white gel, and I'm just creating a little marble design. I'm literally just like stippling on the gel and also just kind of like swirling it around, just really random. And then I am also going in with this pearlescent chrome and just applying it randomly throughout the nail, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other fingers that I applied the gel polish to. And once I'm done, I will cure the nails in the lamp for 60 seconds. On the middle finger, I'm going to apply some of the base coat on the center of the nail, and then I'm going to apply some of these flakes right on top of that. And I'm going to be recreating this nail design that I saw on Instagram. I just followed along with the tutorial. It's not going to come out exactly the same, but it's going to come out kind of similar. So I'm going to be jumping back and forth between the nails, so it might get a little chaotic. But on the thumb, I'm going to be applying some gold chrome. I just mixed it with some base coat and I'm just applying it randomly on the nail. On the ring finger, I'm going to be applying some of the Makeup rhinestone glue gel right in the center, and then I'm going to apply this little like pearlescent stone. So on the middle finger, I'm going to apply more of the base coat, and then I'm going to apply this little broken iridescent gel piece, and then I'm going to cure. And I do cure in between each coat, you guys, so yeah. Now I'm going to be encapsulating the middle finger with the Beetles Clear Builder Gel. And I do go ahead and flip the hand over, that way the gel flows towards the center of the nail and it levels out. And if I see any dips or anything, I just go in with my brush and I just move the gel around, that way it's nice and even and it covers everything. I go ahead and cure that, and now I'm going to wipe the nail off with some alcohol just to get rid of that residue. And then I'm going to lightly file the nail to make it nice and smooth. Now I'm going to be applying some of the Macart top coat on the middle finger, and I'm only going to be curing that for 15 seconds because I'm going to be applying some chrome on top. So these are the chromes I'm going to be using. One is kind of like a purplish white chrome, and then the pearlescent one from earlier. And I'm just kind of mixing those together and just rubbing it on with my finger. And once I'm happy with how it looks, I'm just going to dust it off. And then I'm going to go back in with the top coat, and I'm going to top coat the nail and cure it. Now I'm going to do like a little marble design, so I'm going to use like a jelly black color, a milky white, the nude color, and also use a regular white. And I'm just going to kind of like swirl the colors together, and I'm not putting anything on top of the center of the nail because I don't want to cover up that little broken shell piece. So once I'm done with the design, I will cure that, and then I'm going to top coat it. And I'm gonna fully cure that, and then I'll go in with a buffer and buff off the shine because I'm going to go in with some chrome. So I'm gonna clean the nail off and everything, and then I'm going to go in with the Macart rhinestone glue gel and a liner brush, and I'm gonna do like a little wavy outline design. And once I'm done with that, I will cure the nail for about 30 seconds. And then I'm going to go in with this gold chrome, and I'm going to just use my finger and rub it on there. And once I'm done, I'm going to use my little fan brush and just dust it off and get rid of any extra chrome. And then I'm going to go in with this really tiny liner brush and some white gel polish, and I'm just going to create some really thin wavy lines around the nail. Now I'm going to be applying some of the rhinestone glue gel and a little gold starfish and a little white pearl. And now I'm going to top coat the pinky, the index, and the middle finger, and I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. So once the nails are done curing, I'm going to buff out the pinky and the index finger because I'm going to be applying some chrome. I'm going to use some of the Macart rhinestone glue gel to create a little outline French design on the pinky and the index finger. And once I'm done drawing it on, I will cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds, and then I will rub on the chrome. Now I'm going to be applying a little bit of the glue in the center of the outline French, and I'm going to be applying a little pearl on the pinky and a little shell and pearl on the index finger. And now I'm going to apply a little bit of the Prep and One on the ring finger, and I'm going to stick on some broken shell pieces. Now I'm going to be applying some builder gel on top of the little stone to make it look like kind of like a big pearl. And then I'm going to cure that, and then I am going to be applying some rhinestone glue gel around the stone, and then I'm going to be applying some gold chain on top of that. So once that's cured, I'm going to cut off any gold chain that is hanging, and then I'm going to be applying some rhinestone gel on the chain or around the chain, and then I'm going to be applying some little white pearls, and I will also be applying one little pearl on the thumb. Now I'm going to top coat the ring finger with the My Nail Senpai rubber top coat. Because this is like a thicker top coat and I really want to kind of like encapsulate the chain and the pearls and everything, so that's why I'm using this one. And then for the other nails that I haven't top coated yet, I'm going to use the Macar top coat, and I will cure them all for a full minute and then we'll be done. So while I do that, I just wanted to apologize for not posting for like 2 months. I've been really busy. If you guys didn't know, I do press on nails, and I've been doing a lot of acrylic press on nails lately, and those just take up a bunch of my time. So that is why I haven't been posting, but I have been posting on TikTok just because it's easier to edit and post a quick video on there. I'll leave my TikTok in the description if you guys are interested in following me. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I really hope you guys liked how the nails turned out. I think they turned out really pretty. We wanted like a mermaid beachy vibe nail set, and I think we definitely did that. These look so pretty. I love them so much. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about them down in the comments. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.